Morning, guys. Morning. I'm busy doing my nails this morning. Mrs. Lamb doing another makeover. How you all doing out there on this beautiful Wednesday? Happy Wednesday to everyone. So I'm in the process of doing my nails, and I stripped down the color. Okay, with my nail tool equipment. Okay, so I'm gonna find a nice shade what to go in with, and I like this color. It's like a pink. Yeah, it's a pale pink. Mm. Mhm. Mhm. So right now I'm putting on the polishes and stuff like that. Just one layer coat because I don't have enough and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. Mhm. What? I'm coming up. What? What? So I polished everything except for one more. Yeah. Hmm.